Hi people, I am Ashok Yadav and you are watching Million Bytes. In this video, I will be unboxing Amazon Basics 50-inch tripod. I have the packet right here and I have my scissors right here. So without any delay, let's get into it. So let me remove the outer covering with the help of these scissors. I'll give 4-star ratings for this packaging because the packaging could have been improved. So this is how the box looks like. It's a Amazon Basics lightweight aluminum tripod. It's a 50-inch, that is 127 centimeters. Now let's remove this tape so that we can open it. So here we open the box, and what we can see is there is a very nice bag, and the tripod is there inside the bag. So let's open it, and when we open it we can see this tripod. Here we can see the Amazon Basics branding, which looks really great. The build quality of this tripod is really amazing, and you can use this tripod without referring to the user manual, so it's very user friendly. Now let me talk about the specifications of this Amazon Basics tripod. First of all, it has been made using aluminium and plastic, so it's very lightweight, but not too light that it cannot carry your mobile phone or your camera. So it's lightweight but not too lightweight. The parts of this tripod are very sturdy. You can see they have been made very well and they are very sturdy. They are not brittle or breakable easily. The tripod has all the basic features that a standard tripod should have. When you open this tripod completely, the height from top to bottom would be 50 inches, that is 127 centimeters, and this much height is enough if you want to make a standing video, or while you're sitting you want to make the video. This height is enough for any tripod. And if you want to go with a tripod which has more height, then you can buy the other variant of this tripod that has 60 inches height or 70 inches height. The tripod comes with this bag, which is a very useful thing. It's of good quality, and it helps you carry this tripod anywhere. So you cannot carry it everywhere like this, as it may get damaged, or it may get dust on it, it may get scratches. So this bag helps you carry this tripod without any damage, without any scratches, and helps you keep it free from dust. Let me now show you a full view of this tripod by opening it. You have to open all the legs like this. You have to open all the legs. It is a very big tripod. The height is like 50 inches, which is 127 centimeters. So when you open it, it becomes like this, and you can use it like this. This tripod comes with a bubble indicator. This is the bubble indicator, and when we are setting up this tripod, this bubble indicator helps us to balance the tripod. So let me balance the tripod here. The bubbles should be in the center. You can see the bubble here, right? This is the bubble and it should be in the center. So first we will loosen it like this. This area is loosened now, this part. And now let me balance. Now this bubble is balanced in the center. That means the tripod is also balanced. Now we will tighten it, and your tripod is ready to use. Yeah, it's ready to use. It's balanced and ready to use. If you want to use this tripod with a smartphone, then this tripod doesn't come with a tripod mount, so you will have to buy a tripod mount separately. I have a tripod mount with me which I am using to make this video, so let me show you how you can mount a tripod mount. I have this tripod mount here. Let me open it from this tripod. Alright, so I am opening. So this is the tripod mount that I have, and this is my tripod. So I'll try to show you how you can set up your tripod. I'm holding my camera with my one hand, so it will be a little difficult, but I'll try. So first you have to open this part like this. All right, and you have to open the top. This part is used to set up the tripod mount. The tripod mount would be fixed on this part, and to fix it you have to first lift this part. We will first lift it. All right, it's lifted now. You can see it's lifted, and then we will put the tripod mount over the top of this. All right, and then we will tighten from the bottom. You have to tighten from the bottom and not from the top. You have to tighten from this side. All right, like this. We have to tighten like this. We have to tighten like this. When the tripod mount is totally fixed over this, you can drop this pin like this. Now we have to place the tripod mount like this. See, like this, and we have to open it and let it fix, and then close it like this. Very simple. The tripod mount is now fixed, and you cannot rotate it. If you try to rotate it, there is a block over here, small part, and it will get damaged if you try to put excessive force to rotate it. So you should not rotate it. If you want to rotate the top part of this tripod, what you can do is there is this part which you can loosen, and then you can rotate this top very easily, and then you have to tighten this part. All right, you have to tighten it, and the part will be fixed. All the controls of this tripod are very easy to manage, very easy to use, and you will get used to it after using for some days, few days. Now it's time for ratings and review for this product. I would like to give a 4.5 out of 5 ratings for Amazon Basics lightweight 50-inch tripod, as all the parts of this tripod have been made really well and the build quality is really great. This is a budget-friendly tripod, and although the MRP is 1815 rupees, it comes below 800, and sometimes you can get it at a very good price on Amazon. I have used Amazon Basics tripod in the past also, and I'd like to recommend this tripod for beginners, especially beginners, but professionals can also use this tripod. And if you want to buy this tripod, you can buy it using the link below in the description. So this was the unboxing and review of Amazon Basics lightweight 50-inch tripod. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and do let me know in the comments below which feature of this tripod you liked the most and what you didn't like about this tripod. If you have any questions, you can also ask in this comment section. Do subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more videos like this. You can also suggest me what video you want to watch so that I can make more videos as per your suggestions. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.